God bless the great state of Ohio and this honorable court. You may be seated.
Good morning today. Good morning, Margaret. Today is December 16th. Welcome to Lawrence County Municipal Court. We do reviews first for people who are working on court orders. So when your name's called, come up to the table to your right and we'll review your file. If you don't recall, think you should have, go check in with the clerk.
Jeremy Butcher, J. Lee Canterbury, Andy Lee Chapman, Jason Collier, Dakota Kraft, Charles DeFore, Ronald Ferguson.
Jimmy Butcher is here, 1943, working on his funds taken care of. Do you have a payment today, Mr. Butcher?
Yes, sir.
How much?
20.
All right. January 17th will be your next hearing.
Thank you.
You're welcome. See the clerk. Kayla Canterbury.
Yes.
24,619. Okay, you made a payment last month. You still have your community service to do,
Yes.
and you were supposed to go to Hart for an assessment. Did that happen?
Yes, I've been going to ARC. Actually, I missed a medical appointment, so I had to reapply, but I'm still in the system. I actually have to leave here and go there.
Okay, I want you to do a urine screen this morning.
Okay.
See where we are. So go to the probation office and tell them you're there for a urine screen, and we'll have you back out after we get the results.
Okay.
Andy Lee Chapman. Andy Lee Chapman is case number 24,970, 24,213.
May I approach, Your Honor?
Yes. Okay. He was outpatient at ODP, but he hasn't been coming lately, and he hasn't appeared today, so he's going to get a warrant for not appearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for the report. So the bench warrant issued for failure to appear. Jason Collier is here. 21,8857, 22,275, and 222, and 22,275. And I believe what we're dealing with is payment of fines. Yes. Do you have a payment on your fine today?
I do.
How much are you paying?
50.
Okay, see the clerk and make your payment. And January 17th will be your next hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. 9 o'clock, January 17th. Dakota Kraft. $23,20, $22,130. And you've done everything on your case except, what about your treatment? You were at Bethesda, are you finished with that?
I'm still at Bethesda, sir. I'm in sober living now.
Okay, now that reminds me, I got a text from Taylor about you, so I think it says you're doing good. Yes, it says you're compliant, so do you have any idea when you're going to finish up there?
I'm not sure yet. It'll be a couple months. I'm getting money up so I can get me my own apartment, car, and everything, get my license back.
Okay, you're doing good. Congratulations on that. So I'm going to set you out a couple months before you have to come back.
Okay.
Don't let up though. You got to keep working,
Yes, sir.
doing what you're doing. Let's set you for the 7th of February as your next review at 9 o'clock, and maybe we'll finish everything up, depending on what they tell me at Bethesda, but I'll look at that then.
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Thank you.
Charles Dufour. Charles Dufour is 24,269. He's got an ODI case. He's done everything except 6, why don't we look at this, because I'm showing all he owes is 6 hours of community service. He did everything else.
Your Honor, he was here Saturday, and he knew, and I talked to him Saturday and told him he had 6 hours left to do.
Okay, so that didn't.
He told me he'd be at court today. He may be running late, I don't know.
Okay, well, I'll just put it aside. We'll call it later in the docket to make sure. He's done everything except 6 hours. 23,923 is Ronald Ferguson. And Mr. Ferguson, I'm showing everything on you. Let's see, what about the driver intervention program? Have you done that?
No, I haven't.
You got that, and I'm showing 6 hours on you too, is that right?
Yeah, as far as I know, I have 1 day left. I was trying to get in on a Saturday. My work started offering overtime after the holidays, and I'm trying to squeeze as much as possible.
Okay, I'll give you more time. Are you signed up for a 3-day school or not?
No, I haven't even signed up yet.
Okay, you gotta do that, because the legislature tells me I either gotta put you in jail or make you go to 3-day school. That's something you have to do.
Okay.
I'm assuming you don't wanna go back to.
No.
Okay, so you gotta get that done. Is there anyone here from Lawrence County Recovery?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all putting on the program in January,
Yes, in January.
and you talk with Mr. Ferguson then?
Yes.
Appreciate it.
Talk with that lady. You don't have to go to that one, you can go to any program that's approved by the state of Ohio, but that's the only one in Lawrence County that's approved.
Okay.
Okay. Since you've done everything but that, I'll put you out in February 2. Then if you get that done and your community service, you don't have to come back.
Okay.
We'll make it February the 10th.
Okay.
February the 10th, that's a Monday at 9 a.m. Get it done, you don't have to be here.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
State of Ohio recalls Kayla Canterbury, case number CRB 24619.
Okay, I can live with that.
I'm trying on that. Yes,
What's better?
yes,
You've done
yes.
better.
Yes.
You
I
gotta
love the
get your
program.
community service done. When can we get that?
Yes, well, I got it approved today, Vermont through Kentucky. A lot of them that I was getting approved wasn't approved on the list, but I got one approved today, so,
Okay.
yes,
Are you making any payment on your funds?
yes, $100.
All right, see the clerk to make your payment. Good job on your screen. And this is a newer case, so I'm going to set you for February 3rd.
Okay,
February 3rd will be your next hearing at 9 o'clock.
okay, and
See
continue
the-
with the ARC program and all of
Yes.
that? Okay, got
Continue
you.
with that.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Roger Frizzell, Robert Kinsley, Misty Hunt, Gary Cassini, Christopher Rosecat, Ben Smith, and Stephen Vickers.
Roger Frizzell. Roger Frizzell. Been called, has not appeared. 24782 is the case number. He's paid someone his fine, but hasn't done the dip school or the community service, so there will be a warrant issued for failure here. Robert Hensley. Got a report from RRS. Screens are good. Okay, so overall very good report. So thank you.
I got 25 to pay on my fines too today.
Okay, good job. His case numbers are 21, 114, 21, 345, 21, 222, 23, 324. See the clerk to make your payment. Continue with your treatment. You're doing great. Keep it up. I'll see you on January 17th
Thank you, Your
for
Honor.
your next hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Misty Hunt. 212088. She's at Orange County. Sober living. Okay, it's a good report. You still have community service you need to do.
I'm off work Friday, so I plan on finishing it Friday.
Okay. And are you coming here, or where are you gonna do it?
I mean, I can come here and do it.
Okay, come here and do it Friday. Be here at 7:30.
Okay,
Set your next hearing for January 17th, 9 o'clock.
okay, thank you.
Good report.
Thank you.
Keep up the good work on your treatment. Gary Kazee, 16166, 14309. You just have to pay off your fines.
Yes, sir. I don't have anything today to pay, but I have some unexpected bills. But I'm on a fixed income. I will have some money in January to pay.
Okay, you can do community service to go toward your fines. So we'll accept that. Can you do that, or?
Yeah, I guess I
You can't
could.
pay, we accept extra community service. You get $50 a day credit for every day you do.
Well,
Where are you living?
I live in Proctorville.
Okay, well, it wouldn't be that hard for you to get here, right?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna set you for February 3rd.
Okay.
Is your next hearing, February? Yeah. No, I'm sorry. I want to get it sooner than that. Let's go into January. January the 6th, January 6th. 9 o'clock will be your next hearing.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
You're welcome. Christopher Rudcap, 23,641, 21,1172. You're working, you have been working some community service.
Yes.
Because on your old case. Do you have a payment today?
I got $20.
Okay. Make your payment. And January 17 will be your next hearing.
All right.
See the card and make your payment.
All right.
Ben Smith, 23,662. And I think I've got a report on you too. Yes. Taylor sent me a text saying that you were compliant with your treatment, and that's all you've got to work on.
I just paid off my 60 I owed to my funds a minute ago.
Right. So I'm gonna put you off for a couple of months, and then if we get a completion letter, you'll be done.
I had them extend my outpatient. Like that's only been going 45 days, so I had to move it up to 90. There, cut about probably a month ago. So,
Okay, when do you think you'll be finished?
I don't know. I'm trying to push as long as I can. That way I don't mess up.
Okay, well, it's good that you realize what you need to do, so.
25 years of messing up.
Yeah, well, there's always a chance to turn around and go a different direction, and that's what you're doing, and I applaud you for that.
Makes you feel good.
Okay, let's come back in February. February 3rd will be your next hearing. Good job.
Thank you.
Stephen Vickers, 2414. All you gotta do is finish up your community service.
Yeah, I've talked to him, I'm gonna be here tomorrow.
Your Honor, he was here today, he was wondering if he came and spoke to me this morning, he said he'd be here tomorrow.
All right, great. Well, yours is a newer case, so I'll give you a little bit more time too.
And all my fines should be paid too. I paid them last week.
Yes. Just check, they are paid. So all you gotta do is finish up your community service. Let's make it Valentine's Day, February 14th. If you get it finished by then, you don't have to come back. February 14th, 9 o'clock, if everything's done, you're finished, your case will be complete.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That finishes the review, so anyone out in the lobby that's got a new case or a warrant needs to come in now. We're going to start the arraignments, that's what these hearings are called. So the bailiff's going to call your name if you have a new charge or if you got a warrant outstanding that are here to get recalled. When your name's called, come to the table to the right, just like the last people did, and stand there. I'll go over the charge with you. You need to understand the charge, even if you don't agree with it. You need to understand it, and you don't have to agree with it. So I'm going to tell you what the charges are. You have a right to remain silent. You don't have to say anything about the case. So you have a right to have a lawyer too, and have one appointed if you can't afford one. I have to ask you about your income